And I want to commend my colleague and finance spokesperson Pearse Doherty for bringing forward this bill, and he has provided an opportunity to all Oireachtas members from all parties and none to demonstrate to those who have been crucified by high insurance costs that they too are prepared to stand for fairness. Insurance companies have for years hidden behind the Book of Quantum. They've continuously and consistently used the high cost of personal injury claims as a cover for charging eye-watering premiums for compulsory insurance. And since the 24th of April, with the personal injury guidelines, since they took effect, they no longer have this defence. Yet we know from experience that every possible tactic is used by the insurance industry to keep the raw data hidden from those who ask why Irish policyholders are forced to pay such extortionate premiums. Indeed, we know that the EU Commission was sufficiently concerned about price fixing and cartel-like behaviours of motor insurance providers that they conducted unannounced inspections. The Competition and Consumer Authority Protection Commission also conducted its own investigations and found a lack of data on the market was serving as a barrier to new entrants. Price gouging and the rip-off of people who are legally required to purchase insurance has to be stopped. It's not enough to just stabilise the situation as it is. There must be a real reversal of the crippling cost of insurance, and that's why this bill is so important. Put simply, it will require the insurance providers to provide the relevant data to the central bank so that the savings from the implementation of the new guidelines can be passed on to the policyholder. The substantial reduction of insurance costs has to be the end game. Otherwise, it's all just a paper exercise to increase the profits of the insurance industry. We must stop dancing to the tunes of the insurance industry and tackle the exploitation of those who can least afford to hand over their hard-earned money because they are left with no other option. Reductions in the cost of insurance claims must be passed on, and this bill will guarantee the outcome that we need. This legislation will apply pressure on the industry to pass on euro for euro all the savings that they make to their customers. We know that the new guidelines reduce the level of personal injury awards between 31 and 69%. Similar regulations, as was said, came into effect in Britain following a reduction in the level of whiplash injury awards, where many of the same insurers are operating here. Motorists, businesses and homeowners need us to make a stand for them. We need to make it now.